What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to do a quick review of this Eatex bakeware set. In this review, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this set, including one thing that you should know before buying. So my wife and I got this bakeware set. We have been kind of eyeing a new set overall and decided to go with this one, mainly because it just has a lot of good reviews. People say a lot of good things about it and really like the variety that it comes with. All right, guys, so let me talk about everything in here. So we have a small baking sheet. We have a small muffin pan. We have a larger muffin pan. I have all of the utensils that it comes with. We have a baking sheet here. We have a square pan here. We have a pizza pan here. We actually use this for meatloaf. This one here, we've used it for meatloaf, also bread. And then they have this one too. I'm actually not 100% sure what that one's for, to be honest with you, but they do have it. They have these two round pans here. Another, I guess you would call this a baking pan, like a rectangle baking pan. And then I think I mentioned already, but the pizza sheet. So far I had to grab all these out of the kitchen and I'll tell you what we did use. So far we have used, not all of these, but we have used this baking pan here, that small sheet, this large sheet, and this baking pan, and then also this square one. We've had these for about 2 weeks or so. I mean, they're really good. They're just a really good set. You know, we usually use, I don't use these utensils so much. I kept them. We still have them. We just have old ones that aren't too old yet, and they're wooden. So we typically use those with them. But overall, the sheets, I mean, the whole set is really good. It really is non-stick, which I like a lot. They do a great job in the oven. I actually love these little things. Probably have prevented a burn or two. It is double-sided, which is nice. So these are nice to grab onto. You know, not straight out of the oven, but when they're a little warm, I do definitely like that. But yeah, overall, it is a really good set. I mean, it really does exactly what you would hope. It's very clean and just does a great job with non-stick. And like I said, these little silicone things are great in that they protect your hands. Now, in terms of the thing to know, so I got the smaller set. They actually have another one that has even more stuff to it. We elected to go with the smaller because we just felt like the bigger one, we didn't need to get everything that was with it. But we're happy with this one for sure. So if you're thinking about it and not really sure if they're worth it, they absolutely are. Really high quality products, something that I think you'll definitely enjoy. And yeah, hope this was helpful. And if you're thinking about buying it, definitely don't hesitate. Good products overall.